You know, I think. Oh, there you go. He's gonna eat that thing whole? That's
He's showing us.
He's not showing us, Mom. He doesn't.
He's trying to kill it.
He's not trying to brag to us.
He's trying to kill it, I'm telling you.
Oh.
Don't let it slip, bro.
I think he's trying to kill it.
Alligator comes up and eats some blood. Oh. Oh, damn. He's hitting him hard.
He is trying to kill
I
him.
told you he's moving too much.
Oh my gosh.
Why is he popping him like that? That's so messed up, bro. It's not right.
He's doing him so dirty. It's
He's dead, bro.
it's so loud. I feel so bad. Oh my gosh.
Hope he dropped him.
No.
And then the fish is badly beaten up.
The fish still alive?
He might be. I don't think he's hitting it hard enough.
Yeah, he's sort of like flapping it.
I think he's really trying to make sure it's dead.
Something's coming.
Oh my god, how long is he gonna try and kill this fish for?
I think he's dead, bro.
Yeah, can you just eat it already? Okay, yep. How long does he do this for?
Have content, bro. Murder on video.
Is he done? Bro. He's just playing with his food at this point.
He's dead, bro. There you go.
Oh, hey. Oh, never mind.
That was so messed up, bro.
Oh,
He's knocking the shit out of him.
he's dead. Please. That's enough. Just eat
He's
it.
been out of water long enough, too.
Yeah, he's already drowned with air. What do you want from me? Suffocated?
Yeah, I'm getting tired.
Yeah, you can tell. Oh, wait, him or you? Oh, I think he's getting tired. He's not even smacking hard.
That fish is really cute and little, though.
What, the one he's holding?
Yeah.
Yeah, so bad.
It's so tiny. Oh, it's not dead.
Wait, what? Isn't it?
No.
No way, bro, still on. Nature. So beautiful.
He said I got it.
Yeah.
His neck is tired.
Yeah, how's his neck not tired from doing so much? This is way cooler than the alligator.
He's actually giving us something.
Wait, let him cook. Wait, let him cook.
How was your brother fish with
Because he was literally born to fish.
I'm not gonna be bored.
Starts eating it right when Mom goes. I'm gonna throw my phone in the water
For absolutely what?
so I can get a better shot.
Okay, he's actually boring me.
Oh,
Really?
oh,
There.
hey,
Nope.
oh, oh.
Oh wait, I think he's stuck in his
Wait,
beak.
oh wait,
I
is
think
that why he can't do it? Is he trying to get it off?
Oh, he's up here.
It's too big for you, bro. You caught too big of a fish. You can't eat it. Wait, how is he supposed to eat that actually?
It doesn't go down his throat, but it's stuck in his beak right now. Like he stabbed it back.
That's so interesting.
It's stuck in your teeth. Totally hit my arms.
Alright.
Look,
Oh.
it's stuck on
No.
the bottom of his beak. You see?
He can't.
If he goes on the grass with me, he's probably like, only
Yeah,
issue
why
is
is
it
he?
might fall.
Oh, I think it's gonna slip out. I think it's gonna slip before he's able to. I don't think he's gonna be able to eat it. I think it's just stuck. Maybe next time? You think before you act. Alright. What's that?
Usually it's stuck in the bottom. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Of course I turned around. I saw it.
One whole bite.